name's Aaradhya. I'm from 4th grade, and my video is about physical and chemical change and solutions. This is our solute, and then this is our solvent. And when we put the solute into the solvent, it's going to create a solution. Also, when I put the Mentos in the Coca-Cola, it's going to be a chemical change because we cannot redo it, and it will create a new substance. So here's the experiment. Wait, get the other Mentos. All of them. I'm going to stack them, and I'm going to put them in the Coca-Cola.
Keep it inside.
Oh my gosh. So, I'm going to put all these in.
You want to come out and then do it?
No. 3, 2, 1. Bruh. Okay. That's my video.